Again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and yesterday I made a video about no fill or fill when you're doing a box, and in 2017 and above with nothing selected, all you have to do is double click this and hit that right there, and then when you go to graphic and hit OK, then every time you make a box it'll be no fill. But in 2006 and below it's a little different. You don't get that option. So with nothing selected, if you click on this, you get a totally different deal with there's no non-fill on the screen. So to get this with nothing selected, you need to go to the interactive fill tool and just do this flyout and put no fill. And then go to graphic and put OK, and then when you draw a graphic, it doesn't have a fill. Now to back up here, if we with nothing selected as the key, and we go a uniform fill in graphic, and let's say we want it red, and then you hit OK. Now every time you create a graphic, it'll treat it as red. So if you have that problem with nothing selected, go down here and you'll hit no fill. So it's a totally different thing in 6 and below or 7 and above. 7 and above, they did this right here where you get this green. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.